Crypto trading and stock trading each have their own unique benefits. Here are 13 benefits of crypto trading compared to stock trading. 1. 24/7 market access benefit. Cryptocurrency markets operate 24/7, allowing traders to buy and sell at any time, including weekends and holidays. This continuous market access provides greater flexibility and opportunities. 2. High liquidity benefit. Major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum often have high liquidity, meaning you can buy or sell large quantities without significantly impacting the market price. 3. Decentralization benefit. Cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks, which can reduce reliance on traditional financial institutions and offer more direct control over assets. 4. Lower barriers to entry benefit. Many crypto exchanges have lower minimum investment requirements compared to traditional stock exchanges, making it easier for individuals to start trading. 5. Diverse asset classes benefit. The cryptocurrency market offers a wide range of assets, including various coins, tokens, and DeFi, decentralized finance, projects. This diversity provides more opportunities for diversification and investment. 6. Innovation and technology exposure benefit. Trading cryptocurrencies exposes you to innovative technologies and financial concepts like blockchain, smart contracts, and decentralized applications, DApps. 7. Potential for high returns benefit. The volatility of the cryptocurrency market can lead to significant price swings, potentially offering high returns for traders who can capitalize on these movements. 8. Global accessibility benefit. Cryptocurrencies can be traded globally without the need for intermediaries or country-specific restrictions, providing access to international markets and opportunities. 9. Advanced trading tools benefit. Many cryptocurrency exchanges offer advanced trading tools and features, such as leverage, margin trading, and automated trading bots, which can enhance trading strategies. 10. Innovative financial products benefit. The crypto space offers novel financial products like yield farming, staking, and liquidity pools, which provide additional ways to earn returns on investments. 11. Lower transaction costs benefit. Some cryptocurrency transactions have lower fees compared to traditional stock trading, particularly for cross-border transactions or trades on decentralized exchanges. 12. Enhanced privacy benefit. Cryptocurrency transactions can offer greater privacy compared to traditional stock transactions, which often require personal information and are subject to regulatory oversight. 13. High volatility opportunities benefit. The high volatility in the cryptocurrency market can create numerous trading opportunities within short time frames, allowing for rapid capitalizing on price movements. Each market has its own risks and considerations, and the best approach depends on individual trading goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategy. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.